In this video, I'll help you fix in case your Samsung TV has the black screen. This means that nothing is appearing even though you're trying to turn it on. The screen remains black. So let's start with the easiest of those solutions first, and then we'll switch to another one. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. Now, if this didn't work, what you can do is to go on the back of your Samsung TV where all the HDMI ports and other ports are located and disconnect absolutely everything. The only thing that needs to remain is obviously the power cable connected to your Samsung TV. Then I suggest to do exactly what you did to the other step, which is to disconnect it from the power, wait 5 minutes, and then after plugging it back into the power, turn the TV on using the button under the TV without anything connected in the back. Sometimes one of your devices is causing the problem and your TV cannot power on because of it. So turn on your TV without anything connected, and then if it works, great. Connect each device one by one and check and see if one of those were causing the issue. Now maybe the screen of your Samsung TV is black because the backlight is burned out, and how to know if this is the issue or not is to take your phone or any flashlight. So now I have my flashlight, and once you think the TV is turned on, I want you to bring this light source very close to the screen and check and see if you see an image. Once you bring a source of light like this, you will be able to see some shapes and some stuff that are supposed to be on the screen. If it's the case and you're actually seeing an image when you bring your flashlight, as I said, the backlight is burned out and you'll need somebody to service your TV. There's also some videos on YouTube. I personally do not know how to do it, so I won't be able to help you on this issue, but if you want to do it by yourself, just Google or search on YouTube. Some people will teach you how to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.